What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you the oil changing procedure for the primary chain case. First, you want to run the engine until a good riding temperature and then keep the bike level, which is already done, so it's all good to go. And then you want to drain the oil. The drain plug it's very hard to see, but it's right here. Okay, so let's now loosen the bolt. It's 5/8. Now T27 to remove these bolts for the derby cover. There we go. Now there's another O-ring here that should also be replaced. Okay, so here's a gasket service kit. Let's replace the O-ring for the drain plug. Okay, so the old O-ring, the new O-ring. So the tightening torque here is 14 to 21 foot-pounds of torque. That's roughly about 19 to 28 Newton meters. I go by metric, so I go with 25 Newton meters. There you go. Okay, so now I'm ready to fill in the oil. This is the oil I'm using, Screaming Eagle Synthetic 3. Now, depending on the model, amount of oil, that's different too. I mean, this is CVO, and that's different in comparison to the standard Softails. Furthermore, the dry fill and the wet fill, that's different too. So, double check your service manual. Here's a funnel. Alright, the second bottle. Now, this is a CVO model, so I need 45 ounces of primary oil. So, one bottle is 33, so I need 12 more, which is about 1/3 of the bottle, so measured precisely. Okay, all done. Okay, so let's remove this old O-ring and replace it with the new one, like that, and that fits right there. Let's just do the snug fit first. Always do the snug fit, and then do the final tightening later. Just loose fit. So here's the tightening order. Start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a star. That's it, all done. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.